Birthday girl ka pa naman daw. Gusto niya ng mamahali. May sasabihin ka sana ako. Sige. Uy, may script na yan si Madam Sisi.
Okay. Wow. Wedgwood.
Wow, made in Europe.
Wedgwood.
Nandito na kami, mga gutom na. O ayan na guys, mga gutom na. O, nandito kami sa bahay ni Sisi Love. Ang ganda ng bahay niya. O.
I know that there are 3 ladies.
O, ayan yung bahay niya. Ang ganda ha. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Woo! Ang ganda ng host namin, oh. Tingnan mo. Oh, tumabita-bita ang mga marituki. Gigotong ni si Madam.
Birawang kanya. Uy, dapat birawang ko talaga required. What's your story? Birawang.
Okay. Ready. Thank you, Madam. Napaka-humble. Vera Wang and oh, wow. Talaga naman ha. Social yan ha. Oh, thank you, Madam. Uy, wow. Sige.
Black or red?
Kahit ano dyan. Black is good. Oh, black.
I-mix na nato.
Sige. It's good. Nari kayo naka-content na, Madam.
Madam, bakit sa akin nasa bread sa... This is Louis Vuitton friendship. Asan yung
It's good. Wrap.
You are a good host too. Thank you. It was my goal to be the host of the year. Hello, viewers. Because we had fun. It's showtime. Oh, dito na kayo, Mami Grace. Dito.
Oh my gosh.
Madam Luciet.
Ilagay na sa Birkin ng macaroons.
These are the things that I can only afford, Madam. What do you mean?
Lagyan na na ni Anya yan.
Oh, no. May light.
Hoy! Ang filter mga beses, ang filter.
Mag-filter tayo ng... Ay, importante ang filter. Sorry naman.
Yun ang birthday request.
I got it. Sean Beck. You can Google me Sean Beck.
Oh! Simple pasa. Quiet.
Well, I just wanted...
Wait.
Okay.
Ang akin light.
Okay, go. Well, you know what? Thank you so much for having a birthday so that we can have a gathering here in Las Vegas. Sky, Mia, Nerissa, happy birthday. And all the way from Canada.
Yay! Amazing.
To our host. Thank you so much for opening your home and welcoming us. And just go. You know what? I could open my bottle of champagne, but you didn't let me do that because it is so special.
Later, Madam.
For
Because
you.
I am prepared for... You don't go to the war without...
Happy birthday to you!
Amazing!
Celebrate.
This is for you, dog.
Okay, thank you so much for you, of course, everyone here from Canada, Philippines, Arizona, Chicago, Florida,
Texas!
Virginia,
California.
Nevada, California, yes. Anyway, this is Washington State. Oh, Washington State. Yeah.
Chicago.
No, she already there.
It's coming from...
Sabi mo,
Uy, sabi ko.
nakita mo yung under the blanket parang may nagsisisi.
Meron nga, sabi ko, ano ba ito?